Hey guys, today we are going to learn about the side determination of clavicle. Clavicle. The clavicle is a long bone. So it's a long bone and the Latin word suggests a small key. It supports the shoulder so that the arm can swing clearly away from the trunk. So here in this picture, this is a rough diagram, okay? So this is the clavicle and this is our shoulder and this is our arm. So basically the clavicle, it supports the shoulder. It will support the shoulder so that the arm can swing. This is our arm. We can swing our arm away from the body, like towards this, because of the help of clavicle. The clavicle transmits the weight of the limb to the sternum. So the clavicle also helps to transmit the weight of our limb to the sternum. The bone has a curved part called the shaft and two ends, lateral and medial. So here in this picture, this is the shaft and this is the two end. This is the medial end and this is the lateral end. Coming to the side determination. The side to which a clavicle belongs can be determined from the following character. So, next side determination. So, this is a typical clavicle. So, first we need to find which side is lateral and which side is medial. So, the lateral end is flat. So, we can compare. So, look at these both ends. You can see that this is flat end. So the flat end, it's called lateral end and the medial end is large and quadrilateral. As you can see, this is a quadrilateral in shape. So it's the medial side and the flat side is the lateral side. Okay. So now we find the lateral and medial side. Next, about the shaft. The shaft is slightly curved. As you can see, the shaft is curved, right? So that it is convex forward in its medial two-third. So we find the medial and lateral. And medial is divided into medial two-third. You can see here, this up to here, this is the medial two-third and this is the lateral one-third. So in the medial two-third, it's convex forward. You can see it's convex, right? It's convex forward. So this is the anterior. This is the anterior and this is the posterior view. So at the medial side, it will be convex forward and at the lateral one-third, it will be concave forward, like concave. Okay. So now we find the both the ends and the anterior and posterior part. Okay. So next we need to find the inferior and superior portion. So that the inferior surface, this is the inferior and this is the superior. How we can distinguish these both? In the inferior surface there is a groove. You can see here there is a groove. The inferior surface is grooved longitudinally in its medial one-third. The medial one-third, there is a groove, subclavian groove. Okay. So that's it. So first we need to find the both end and the flat end is called lateral end and the quadrilateral or large end, it is called medial end. Then about the anterior and posterior part, the anterior, in the medial two-third it's convex forward and in the lateral one-third it's concave forward and in the inferior surface there is a groove. So that's all for the side determination.